School of Leadership. It's such a blessing to partner with Springs of Joy that is doing such a great work of rehabilitation. It's a rescue center for young people. And so we're doing this work to raise funds to make a difference in the lives of young people. So you can see so many people here, they're excited about it and looking forward to a great day. May God bless you and have a wonderful time.
I'm Bishop Simon Kabocho, founder of Life Issues Ministry that covers Springs of Joy Center. And today we are glad to launch this work that is towards fundraising for the center. And we thank God for the people who have joined us. Also thanking God for New Vision Leadership, new NVSL for partnering with us. And we appreciate the doings of the Lord. Thank you so much.